Welcome CJ Math students to Note 1.5 Part 2. So this is going to be kind of a long definition because I want to make sure we get all the details of this. A fraction is a part of a whole. So it's kind of very basic concept. The top number, otherwise called the numerator, says how many parts we have. And the bottom number, the denominator, says how many parts the whole is divided into. Oops, it says how many parts the whole is divided into. So you've seen this on ST Math, maybe with the kind of circles and graphs. For instance, if they give you a circle and they say, all right, this is shaded like this, right? Your numerator is 3 and it's divided into 4 parts. That's your denominator, right? 3 over 4. You can also have improper fractions where the numerator is larger than the denominator, so something like 5 over 4, right? That would be one circle totally filled in, and then another circle with only one filled in, something like that. And then you can also have mixed numbers. This same picture that I just gave to you as a mixed number is 1 and 1/4. All right? Great. So basically here what we're just doing is visualizing fractions. So you're going to want to count on the left side, you're going to want to really count out the numerator, right? It will tell you what's shaded is the numerator. And then on the right side, what you're really going to want to look for is the denominator. How many times is the whole divided up into? Because these are all going to be improper fractions where the numerator is bigger than the denominator, and these are all going to be proper fractions. So I'll show you. And the riddle that we're trying to answer is, what did the boy snake say to the girl snake, right? So here, the numerator is 1, 2, 3 pieces shaded out of 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, and a whole would really be 4 out of 4. So the fraction that we get, though, is 3/4, right? So you're going to go down, find 3/4, and you're going to put a U there. So it's right here. Let's do another one. So this is, the numerator is just one piece, and out of 1, 2, 3. So that would be 3 over 3. So this fraction is 1/3. So you're going to go down on the bottom, find 1/3, and you're going to put an A there. All right, now let's do a little bit trickier ones, the improper fractions over here. Right? You're going to count the amount of pieces you have. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. And then you really want to count the parts just until you get to a whole. So it's one part, 2 parts, 3 parts. So really a whole is 3 out of 3. So this improper fraction is you have a whole and then 2 extra pieces, or 5/3. Right? So go down here, 5/3. Is right here, and the letter that you want to put down, is O. Right there. Let's do another one. So again, count how many parts you have, which is 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts. Then count how many times the whole was divided. It was divided once, 2 pieces, right? So a whole would be 2 over 2. So the fraction that you're looking for is 3 over 2. So you're looking for an I wherever you see 3 over 2. Right there. Let's do one more. Let's do one down here. So here are the parts. Got to count very carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 is the whole, right? So 16 out of 16. Keep going. 17, 18, 19. So 19 is your numerator. Out of 16 is your whole. So this is a 16. S on 19 over 16 right there. All right, that's all I'm going to do. You're going to do the rest in partners.